great. And it's warm already, dang it. That wind will pick up a little bit, it won't be so hot. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a shaky head. Let's see if I can't go ahead and get the skunk out of the boat for us. Okay, so I picked up a little shaky head. You guys can see it. Little shaky head. Dude, no way. Oh, I thought I got bit. Maybe I was just tangled up in something. Dude, oh, dude, he hammered it. He freaking. There's one. Oh, he freaking jumped off. Dang it. There's one. Oh, little guy. Swimming with it. Ooh, hanging around the camera. Help me out. Okay, gotcha. I got it. I think he's hooked pretty good. Little guy. Well, there's fish number one. Skunk out of the boat. Not the size we want, but he might go pound. Little guy. Itty bitty one. Oh yeah, there's that wind. That feels great. Picked up a little swim bait. We'll throw it around for a minute. What was wrong? I'm on something, not a fish. Really don't want to break off. Oh, got it. There it is again. Is it a brush pile? Let's go get it. Oh, came out. I don't know what it was. Okay, picked up a Carolina rig. Cheeto's still throwing a shaky head, so we're going to try and get bit on some slow stuff. There's a fish. Told you we'd get bit right here. Not a big one, but I'll take him. Here, bud. Alright, there's one. Not a big one, but we will take him for sure. Thanks for eating, buddy. Pop it out of his mouth. Little guy, maybe a pounder. Not bad. Number 2 though. Okay, so I picked up a little shaky head again. I just caught one on a Carolina rig, but I kind of want to pick this area apart a little better, so. Wow, didn't skip. Ruh-roh raggy, there's a fish.
Net?
No. No, he's not that big. Man, no big ones today. It's number 3 though. I'll take him. Number 3. Thanks, buddy. Okay, so I got a little line through swim bait. Caught him on this last time I was out here, so we're gonna see if we can't catch a couple more. Go backlash. Straight into the wind. Is that funny, Cheeto?
Oh yeah, that was hilarious.
Little sock. Get it out of there. Darn it. Dadgummit. Not what you want. Oh, dang it, I broke it off. Did it go in the water? Seriously, did it go in? Tell me it didn't go in the water. What line are you talking about?
That was it, the one that you just grabbed.
I don't think that one was mine. Dude, that sucks. That's my only line through. Literally the only one I have. That sucks. Dang it, man. Okay, well, disappointing to say the least. I just broke off my only line through swim bait. The only one I owned, so don't have any more. I'll have to pick some up, but I just picked up a wacky worm. We're gonna see if we can't get bit on it, I guess. A little 4-inch, so it's smaller than most wacky worms. But man, dude, that makes me mad.
What the heck?
I don't know, something fell. Dude, I just casted my wacky worm off. Like it just straight up came off my rod. Okay guys, so I just casted my wacky worm off, had to get a new one. He got hung up a couple times, so don't cast right there where you just got hung up. You don't want to have to come back. There you go. Anyways, so we're gonna move up this creek a little bit and see if we can't get bit up here. We're it's been a minute without a bite for sure, so a little desperate right now. I mean, I've only caught 3 little ones. So there's one right there. Little one too. Small, I mean that's the smallest one I've caught all day, I think. Little one. Anyways, are you hung again? Pop your line. See if you can't get it in.
No. Yeah.
Not happening. Okay, we'll go get it. All right, little guy. That's one. I don't know why they make them black. It just doesn't make any sense. If I was GoPro, I would make white GoPros. You know, it just like, I mean, you put 2 and 2 together, people do stuff outside with GoPros. You know they're going to get hot. I don't understand why they don't. There's one. Another little guy, I think. Oh, that's a better one. That's the biggest one of the day. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one of the day. He may go 2 pounds. That's a good one. Easy, bud. Easy. Easy. Trying to get us out of this current. Easy, bud. Easy. Easy. buddy. Yeah, that's a 2-pounder. Not bad. 2 something, it looks like. There you go. Best fish of the day, all the way up back in this creek. We're looking at 68-degree water temps. It's 7 or 8 degrees colder than the main lake. But yeah, best one of the day by far. Sweet. Thanks for eating, bud. Oh! Oh! I'm 99% certain I just had a fish bite, take me down in that log, and break me off. Okay, so just caught a, I don't know, 2-pounder maybe on a jerkbait. So there's that at least. But you gotta be careful with these guys; they'll get a hook in your hand. Did you ever see that picture of me with the hook in my hand? You got a fish? Where you hung? I think you have a fish, dude. Keep reeling. Dude, you got a fish! Get him in the boat! You want the net?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, here. No. Leave him. Let him fight. Let him fight. Here, buddy. Get him. Attaboy, Cheeto. Attaboy. Cheeto, dude, we just doubled up. Okay, so me and Cheeto just doubled up. He caught one on a shaky head. I caught one on a jerkbait. So, anyway, that was his first fish, and it was the biggest one. It was 2 pounds, 4 ounces. I didn't weigh any others today, but I'm fairly certain it was the biggest fish of the day. I think I caught one back up in the creek that would have went 2, but not much over it. So he's got the biggest one on me. So we're gonna see if we can't catch a couple more before the day's up. And then I saw your line move, and I was like, ruh-roh, Reggie, he's got a fish on. Love to just lean into a 6-pounder right here.
3 times stronger than one of them.
There's a fish. I think that might be a good one too. Yeah, get the net ready.
Get the net ready?
Yeah. If that's even a fish, he's not fighting. I must have him hooked weird. Yeah, net ready. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh dude, that's a giant. That's a giant.
Fight it, Nate. Fight it, Nate. Fight it, Nate.
Giant. Oh, did he come off? No, he didn't. Okay. I thought he came off for a second. My drag was loose. Giant, dude. Giant. That's like a 6-pounder. It may be a carp. I may have a carp hooked in the side. It's hard to tell. Dude, that's a giant fish, whatever it is. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Like it is. I'm worried it's a big carp. Yeah, it's a catfish. It's a freaking catfish.
What did we just talk about, bro?
I thought it was like a 10-pounder, dude.
Alright, it's still nice.
It's a freaking catfish. Dadgummit. Freaking catfish. Put him in that. There you go. Alright, get him in the boat. Dang it. Oh, I'm a little mad about that because when he flashed, he looked like green. Like his colors looked green, you know? That's wild. I've never caught a catfish on a jerkbait before. That's a first. Oh, gosh, that scared the piss out of me. I've had too many hooks in my hand this year. Okay, hold still, bud. I think it's a big blue cat. You hear him? Yeah. Barking? He goes over this way. There you go. Dude, I think that's a fish right there. I may have just caught him. Yep, that's a fish.
You need me to reel in? Or you need me a net?
No, I think it's a little, it is a little one.
Okay. Oh, that's a super
That's a little catfish again.
Look how small he is.
Dude, that's two. There's a big fish. That was a ginormous fish right there. I don't know what it was.
Probably just saved his life, bro. We're keeping him.
That was like a 20-pound carp or something like that. Look at that little guy.
That is small.
Look at that little guy.
I could fit his whole head in my mouth.
I mean, itty bitty guy. These are the type of fish that'll put a hook in your hand, though. Anyway, there's a little bitty blue cat. I think that's another blue cat. That one actually might be a channel. I don't know. I'm not a catfish guy. Don't quote me.
Let's see it real quick.
What'd you say?
That thing looks pretty heavy.
Good way to put a hook in your hand right there.
Yep.
Good way to put a hook in your hand.
You wanna probably weigh him.
I don't want to weigh him. Thank you.
Like he looks ultra heavy.
Yeah, he may go. He's
Spot. Like this spot has some
catfish. That's 2 catfish on a jerkbait, dude. Okay. There you go, little guy. Scale real quick. My GoPro's about to die, but we're gonna see. He choked. That shaky head's been a lifesaver today, so. Okay, that time 2 pounds 10 ounces. We'll go with the bigger. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. 2 pounds 10 ounces. There you go. Not a bad fish at all. We'll take it.